5 best money making app you should have on your mobile phone in 2024. These are all free apps you can download to your mobile phone and get paid performing tasks on each apps. If this is the first time you're watching my videos, my name is Uche Keys, and on this video I'll be listing out these 5 apps you can make money using your mobile phone. Now, the number 1 app you need to have on your phone to make money in 2024 is Canva. You can make money using Canva on your mobile phone. It is very simple. You just have to download it from your Play Store or iOS store, and then you start making use of this particular app. The second app you need to have on your mobile phone to make money in 2024 is Premix. Okay, you can make money on Premix. This app, they are very simple. You can download and start using on your mobile phone. The third app you should have on your phone to make money in 2024 is Shopify. Okay, you can make money using the Shopify app on your mobile phone. This app is also very simple to use. And this brings us to the number 4 app that you can make money in 2024 using your mobile phone. By the way, if you have not liked this video at this point, I don't know what you are waiting for. Consider liking this video and sharing it with your friends who are also interested in learning how to make money using their smartphone. Okay, thank you. The number 4 app you need to have on your mobile phone to make money in 2024 is TikTok. Okay, TikTok is paying a lot of money. A lot of people are on TikTok and they are making lots of money every day. So this app, you need to have it on your phone, okay, and start exploring how to make use of these apps to make money in 2024. And this brings us to the last app you can make money with just your smartphone in 2024. This app is called JumiaPay. You can sign up for JumiaPay affiliate and then start making money on this same app. Okay, if you like this video and you want me to drop a tutorial video on any of this app, all you have to do is to give me a follow, like this video, and go to the comment section and comment the name of the app you want me to make video on, and I'll be glad to make this video for you. Thank you for watching my video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.